This is the refrigeration system used in our air conditioning and refrigerator units in our house. Let us identify the 5 basic parts. The refrigerant. The fluid that carries the hotness and coldness from each section of a unit. The condenser. This is where a hot-pressure gaseous refrigerant will cool off with the aid of a fan, and will liquefy. The expansion valve. This is where the liquid refrigerant passes through a very small hole that turns the refrigerant into spray with low pressure and attains a very low temperature. The evaporator. This is where the coldness of the refrigerant is extracted with the aid of a fan or by direct contact. The compressor. This pumps the low-pressure gas into the high-pressure side, and the cycle repeats. To analyze with respect to energy usage, we see that the compressor is only working. Fans are comparatively working at very low power. The compressor is working between the high and low pressures. To lessen the energy consumption due to the compressor must stop or reduce the difference between the high and low pressures. Thus, the questions will be: first, how will we stop the compressor? Second, how do we reduce the gap of the low and high pressures?